Looking for something new construction, new development, 3-bedroom, 2-bath? Look no more. This video, I'm going to show you this home style Aria that's built by D.R. Horton here in Fort Myers area. It could be yours. So let me show you, let me take you for this home tour and tell you all about this property and this location. You can go check it out in my other video as well, where I talk about this specific community, and all the details is in that video. Anyway, so let's go and let me tell you all about this property. Before start any other videos, I always like to introduce myself. My name is Alek Petrov. I'm one of the local real estate agents here in Southwest Florida. So here we go. Here is the community behind me. It's getting developed as we speak. So, and again, disclosure, I am not an employee of D.R. Horton. I'm just doing the video. I'm showing this community because it is near my house and I want to let people know what's happening out here. All right. Hey, probably you saw my other video where I show the community. That's the model house. I already done the video on it. You've probably seen that one. That is my truck. New homes getting developed out here as well. And again, they have 3 different styles. Area here is 3-bedroom, 2-bath. Guys, it is 1,672 square feet. A beautiful, beautiful. You can pick out different colors. They have different styles as well. Easy to come in. Definitely love the part where you can come in here. Again, somewhat same design as the other one. You have a hallway. Room number 1. Pretty spacious. Pretty good. You have a closet there too as well. Now you have a closet here, right, for your winter clothes if you want to, if you have any. Bathroom. Let me show you guys a full bathroom here. It's tile all the way up. Vanity. Room number 2. So it still gives you the option where you have, see they have can lights here, but it's just because building. You have tile in main areas and you have carpet in the rooms. So here you have your laundry room as well. You have shelves. See shelf. You have your HVAC right behind there. When you see every time a door like this, that means there's air handler right behind it. So always gonna vacuum it. Garage. All right, for the guys, I will record the garage so you guys will see it. Let there be light. And there was light. Attic space there on top as well. Here you're coming in into the kitchen. Nice kitchen, so it's not as huge as the other one. Definitely use more square footage. But I feel like this area is more spacious in the sense of the dining room is separate out there. Kind of sits out there. Living room right here. Definitely feel, even though 200 square feet less, definitely feel like this area, common area, it's bigger than the Cali pantry. Definitely not as huge as the other one. All right, so you have a lot in the back. I don't know how it feels to buy a property on this side of the lot or this side of the community, just because you have the main street right there. This is your master. All right, carpet in the rooms. You do have a closet, walk-in closet here. And again, ladies, beautiful for the ladies. It's beautiful area, a lot of space. Okay, coming in, definitely the husband closet right here. This is your walk-in shower. You have your double vanity here on this side. Let me know what you guys think about this property and this style of the home. And what do you guys think? 3-bedroom better or the 4-bedroom? And what do you guys, go look at that video. Let me know what you think about the living room space and the family dining room. Is the other one's bigger than this? Seems like, maybe the video can't tell you the story, but it seems like this is pretty huge. And you guys, thank you so much. Give me that like button as well, please. And subscribe to my channel so you get to see other videos as well. And if you hit the bell button as well, you'll get notified when the next video is coming out as well. Anyway, thank you so much. I appreciate it. And share and comment below what you think about the Orange River Road. And if you live nearby here, what you think about this community and all the things that are getting built out here in Florida. Peace.